living spaces into havens of style and functionality. Today, we're stepping outside to unlock the incredible potential of your home's first impression, the front yard hardscaping design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's delving deep into the world of front yard hardscaping design. This often overlooked aspect of exterior design can dramatically enhance your property's curb appeal, functionality, and even its value. To begin, let us clarify precisely what we mean when we discuss front yard hardscaping design. In essence, hardscaping refers to all the non-living elements within your landscape. While landscaping typically encompasses the soft elements like plants, trees, and grass, hardscaping provides the foundational structure and enduring features of your outdoor space. In the context of your front yard, this includes elements such as paved walkways, stone patios, retaining walls, decorative boulders, concrete driveways, steps, and even water features. It's about utilizing durable, fixed materials to create defined areas, pathways, and focal points that complement your home's architecture and the surrounding environment. Think of it as the bones of your front yard design, providing order, definition, and a sense of permanence that soft landscaping then beautifully adorns. Now, let's explore the substantial benefits that well-executed front yard hardscaping design can bring to your property. Firstly, enhanced curb appeal is perhaps the most immediate and undeniable advantage. A thoughtfully designed hardscape creates a striking visual impact, instantly elevating the aesthetic of your home. It provides a structured and polished look that invites admiration and sets your property apart. Secondly, hardscaping significantly improves functionality and usability. Imagine a clearly defined pathway leading to your front door, or a small, inviting patio where you can enjoy your morning coffee. Hardscape elements provide practical solutions for pedestrian traffic, create designated areas for relaxation, and can even help manage water runoff more effectively. Thirdly, consider the aspect of increased property value. A professionally designed front yard hardscape is a significant investment that yields a strong return. It signals quality and care to potential buyers, making your home more attractive and commanding a higher market price. This is particularly true in competitive real estate markets. Fourthly, hardscaping often leads to lower maintenance requirements compared to extensive soft landscaping. While plants require regular watering, pruning, and seasonal care, hardscape elements, once installed, demand relatively little upkeep. This translates to less time spent on yard work and more time enjoying your outdoor space. Finally, hardscaping can provide privacy and security. Well-placed retaining walls or decorative screens can offer a sense of enclosure and seclusion, while integrated lighting within your hardscape design enhances visibility and deters unwanted attention. These elements contribute to a more comfortable and secure environment for your household. Once the structural elements of your front yard hardscaping are in place, the art of decoration truly begins. The goal is to create a cohesive and inviting aesthetic that harmonizes with your home and personal style. Begin by focusing on material selection. The type of stone, pavers, or concrete you choose will set the tone for your entire design. Consider the architectural style of your home. A modern house might benefit from sleek, large-format pavers, while a traditional home could be enhanced by classic brick or natural flagstone. Consistency in material choices throughout your hardscape creates a polished and unified look. Next, incorporate greenery strategically. While hardscaping is about non-living elements, it should never feel stark or barren. Soften the edges of pathways and patios with carefully selected plants, shrubs, and flowers. Raised garden beds integrated into your hardscape provide opportunities for vibrant seasonal displays. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and complement the colors and textures of your hard materials. Lighting is a crucial decorative element that often gets overlooked. Thoughtful outdoor lighting can transform your front yard at night, highlighting architectural features, illuminating pathways for safety, and creating a warm, inviting ambience. Consider a mix of path lights, uplights for trees or architectural details, and perhaps even string lights for a more festive touch. Focal points and decorative accents can add personality and visual interest. This could be anything from a sculptural planter, a unique bench, an elegant fountain, or even a well-placed piece of garden art. Ensure these elements are appropriately scaled for your space and don't overwhelm the overall design. Finally, remember the importance of cleanliness and maintenance. Even the most beautifully designed hardscape will lose its appeal if it's dirty or overgrown. Regular sweeping, occasional power washing of paved surfaces, and prompt removal of weeds between stones will ensure your front yard hardscaping always looks its best. When considering the best items for front yard hardscaping design, we look for elements that offer both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. The ideal choices will vary based on your specific needs, budget, and the overall vision for your property, but certain items consistently deliver exceptional results. One of the most essential items is a well-designed pathway. This can range from elegant stone pavers to classic brick or modern concrete. A clear, inviting path guides visitors to your front door and adds a structured element to your landscape. Retaining walls are invaluable, especially for properties with sloped terrain. Beyond their structural purpose of preventing erosion, they can also be decorative, creating terraced garden beds or defining different zones within your front yard. Materials like natural stone, stacked block, or even poured concrete can be used to create visually appealing and robust walls. Patios or seating areas can transform your front yard into an extension of your living space. Even a small paved area with a bench or a couple of chairs can provide a charming spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Consider materials like flagstone, pavers, or stamped concrete for these areas. Decorative rock and gravel can be excellent low-maintenance options for ground cover, particularly in drier climates. They add texture and color and can be used to create dry creek beds or define planting areas. Water features, such as small fountains or bubbling rocks, introduce a serene and captivating element. The gentle sound of water can create a calming atmosphere and become a beautiful focal point. Lastly, integrated lighting fixtures are paramount. From subtle pathway lights to uplights that highlight your home's architecture, proper lighting enhances safety, security, and the overall ambience of your front yard after dusk. Now, let's explore 10 outstanding front yard hardscaping design ideas that can inspire your next outdoor project. Each idea offers a unique blend of aesthetics and practicality, demonstrating the versatility of hardscaping. 1. Curved flagstone walkway with bordering garden beds. This classic yet inviting design features a winding path made of irregularly shaped flagstones, creating a natural and organic feel. The soft curves add visual interest, while low-maintenance perennial or annual flowers and shrubs planted along the edges soften the hard lines and introduce vibrant color and texture, making the journey to your front door a delightful experience. 2. Modern concrete paver driveway with integrated linear lighting. For a sleek, contemporary look, consider a driveway constructed from large-format concrete pavers. The clean lines and uniform appearance exude sophistication. Integrating thin, linear LED lighting along the edges or within the pavers provides a minimalist yet functional illumination that guides vehicles and enhances safety after dark. 3. Tiered stone retaining walls with xeriscape planting. Ideal for sloped front yards, this design utilizes multiple levels of dry stacked or mortared stone retaining walls. Each tier creates a distinct planting area filled with drought-tolerant plants, succulents, and decorative gravel. This not only prevents erosion but also creates a dramatic, low-water landscape that is visually stunning and environmentally conscious. 4. Grand entrance with wide stone steps and column planters. Make a powerful statement with a wide, inviting set of natural stone steps leading up to your front porch. Flank these steps with substantial, architecturally appropriate planters made of stone or concrete, filled with seasonal flowers or elegant evergreens. This creates a sense of grandeur and a welcoming transition. 5. Gravel courtyard with central water feature and benches. Transform a larger front yard into a charming gravel courtyard. Use permeable gravel to create a textured, low-maintenance surface. A beautiful central water feature, such as a tiered fountain or a sculpted bird bath, serves as the focal point, while strategically placed stone or wooden benches invite leisurely enjoyment of the space. 6. Paved patio extension with privacy screen and fire pit. Expand your outdoor living space by adding a small paved patio adjacent to your front door or a prominent window. Define this area with a stylish privacy screen made of wood slats or metal, and consider a compact, built-in fire pit for evening ambience. This creates an intimate gathering spot for relaxation and entertaining. 7. Dry creek bed with decorative boulders and native grasses. For areas prone to water runoff or simply to add a naturalistic element, a dry creek bed is an excellent hardscaping feature. Use a mix of smooth river rocks and larger decorative boulders to mimic a natural stream. Border this with native grasses and drought-tolerant plants for a low-maintenance, ecologically friendly design. 8. Stacked stone mailbox pillar with integrated lighting. Elevate a mundane utility into a design feature. Construct a sturdy and attractive mailbox pillar using stacked natural stone or cultured stone. Incorporate a discrete light fixture at the top or base to illuminate the mailbox at night, adding both functionality and a sophisticated touch to your curb. 9. Permeable paver sidewalk and rain garden integration. For environmentally conscious homeowners, permeable pavers for your front sidewalk allow rainwater to infiltrate the ground, reducing runoff. Complement this with a small rain garden positioned to capture excess water, planted with water-loving native plants. This showcases a commitment to sustainability while enhancing aesthetics. 10. Terraced landscape with architectural concrete elements. This modern approach involves creating distinct, level terraces using smooth, finished concrete retaining walls. These sharp, clean lines provide a structured and architectural feel. Each terrace can then be used for minimalist planting, sculptures, or even integrated seating, creating a highly sculptural and contemporary front yard. As we conclude this exploration of front yard hardscaping design, it is clear that these non-living elements are anything but static. They are the backbone of a truly exceptional outdoor space, offering permanence, functionality, and enduring beauty. By thoughtfully integrating hardscaping elements, you are not merely decorating, you are investing in the long-term appeal, usability, and value of your home. Remember, the front yard is the very first welcome your home extends, and a well-designed hardscape ensures that welcome is impressive and memorable. We hope this deep dive into front yard hardscaping design has inspired you to envision new possibilities for your own property. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. Share your thoughts and your own hardscaping ideas in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community.